Hi, my name is Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows, and today's video is going to be on how to replace the Jambliner and the balance tube on a Carmel Double Hung Window. What we're going to do in this video is remove the Jambliner, replace the balance tubes, and you do that if one of them either got sprung, broke, something happened to it out in the field. So the tools I normally use is just a pry bar and a 6-in-1 tool. So bring the sash up 6 to 8 inches. Tilt latches are pressed towards the center of the sash and tilt it out. Bring it down to about 90 degrees. And that locks the shoes on the balancers in place. And then lift one side first and then the other side up and then work it out. Pull it down. Okay, now these tilt latches to press towards the center. Now be careful because you have wood on both sides so you don't scar them up if they're finished. Bring it down to 90 degrees again. Lift one side and then the other. Remove the sash. So with this balance tube, you have the tilt latch pin that you need to deactivate the pressure on that, and then the pressure or the spring tension is released. You need to deactivate both of those before you start attempting to remove. And now we get down to business on removing the Jambliner. So what we want to do is take our 6-in-1 tool, pry the inside stop off, and once I do that, start working it and it pops loose. Then we come back and we take the dust cover off, just pry that out, set it aside, and then the same on the top. This is where you have to pull down at the top here. So now you come in here and you got to get way behind that Jambliner and start working it. Like I said, go medieval on it because it really is difficult to come out. See how it keeps popping back in? There we go. Once you get it pried like right there, start working it up. And you got to kind of clear this right here on the bottom. Pull it out like that, start working it, and then again you go up to the top. This is where you have to pull down at the top here. So this is the balance tube. You pull out the old one if it's damaged, whatever, sprung. Replace the new one and make sure the clip goes over the edge of the Jambliner. This can slide out real easy, so when you're removing it from the side jam, make sure you keep your thumb or finger on it so it doesn't fall out of the window, especially if you're on the second or third story. Insert the Jambliner so it's behind the top stop. Start working it in the opposite direction, so you go to the outside, get it locked in. And then it's all reverse order, so you come back. Put your wood piece in. If this is close, that's what your pry bar is for. You get up in there and get the liner back so it gives you some clearance. This fits into the groove on the Jambliner. Pop it in. Put your bottom piece of metal. Pop it in. Gently pop it in. And the dust plug. And then you'll want to reset your balancers so they're the same height as what your other side is for reinstalling your windows. Okay. Little shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Thank you for watching our video. And for additional information and resources, please visit our website.